What's going on, everybody? This your boy Eddie Versatile Keys coming back at you, and today what we're going to talk about is muddy vocals. All right, so let's just dive right into it. All right, so to all my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back, and to all my new people, we welcome you to the family. All right, so this song is called Second Wind by David Jacoby and the Family Experience, and what we are going to do is just dive in and see how I did what I did. All right, so we're going to start off with the SSL channel. Okay. Basically, what I'm using this for is just for tone. All right, I'm just using this strictly for tone. I'm not, surgically doing anything. I'm just using this for the tone. So I'm cutting at 120, 16K, at 6K, and at 500, for all the boxing frequencies and whatnot and what have you. And then also using, the regular compressor as well. All right, this is just for my tones. So let's listen to how this was before and without, and let's just solo this. All right, let's go.
They said you never make it. I'm a living witness that you can and you will. Oh, I know it's hard, but it's just second.
It's just warming it up, and everything. All right, so now let's go to the CLA Mix Hub, which was one of my favorite plugins. All right, so we're using the drive, give them a little bit more gain, give them a little bit of overdrive as well. For a song like this, I definitely want it to stick out and give it like some grit. I'm using the 8K for some shine at the top. I'm using it as a shelf, so everything from 8K up. And I'm using I'm boosting a lot in the high mid frequencies at 4K just to bring out those telephone frequencies, just to get it to stick out a little bit more. And it is very much a lot, but it's going to serve a purpose, I promise you. All right. And then also I am dipping at 600, I believe. Let's see. Yep, 600, like 3 dB, okay? And I'm using the Bluey compressor on this, okay? Just a little bit, and that's pretty much it for this, all right? So let's take a listen.
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living witness that you can and you will. Oh, I know it's hard.
Right, so out the gate now, I'm getting the excitement that I want. I'm getting that energy that he's bringing. So you want to bring that to life, right? So I'm getting the energy. It's doing exactly what I want it to do, okay? Now I'm using the Transient Master just to tame some of those attacks, those initial attacks. I'm just using that just to soften that up a little bit. And then the 1176. Now I'm compressing this very, very heavily. I am probably more than what I need to, but I love the excitement that I'm getting, okay?
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living witness that you can and you will. Oh, I know it's hard.
So 10 dB of compression. I already know what you're going to say. I already know. That's a lot of compression, Eddie. I know. But it's serving a purpose. And with this, I'm able to get that energy that I was looking for, right? So now we're actually going to bring this back up. We're going to use the L1, okay? Using the L1, and just turn the gate on. The gate I'm just using just a standard gate, okay? That's in Studio One. So the L1, I'm using that just to bring the vocal back up forward, okay? So let's take a listen now.
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living witness that you can and you will. Oh, I know it's hard.
Now we're going to add our reverbs and delays, okay? So let's take a listen to this.
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living witness that you can and you will. Oh, I know it's hard, but it's just second.
Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to play this with the music so that way you can see the before and after effect, okay? So let's go ahead and turn everything off one more time. Here we go, before.
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living witness that you can and will. Oh, I know it's hard.
After.
They said you never make it, but God told me you can take it. I'm a living
you know, it just helps bring that vocal up to the front. It's fitting very well, perfectly, I believe, in the mix as well. Uh, One thing I would just say, just don't be scared of the EQ, man. Like turn it, like abuse the sound. You know, that's basically what I'm doing with the mix hub. I'm abusing this sound, right? Like I got the 8K at 6 dB and then damn near 10 dB at 4K, but it's giving me the excitement. It's giving me what I need in order for this vocal to work in this type of song. All right. So hopefully you guys learned something. I don't claim to be the best. I'm not saying I'm the best. I'm just trying to help somebody get closer to where they are trying to go at the end of the day. All right. So see you guys on the next video. Peace.